Hey guys, so it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my setup for my YouTube videos, and right now I am recording on my new camera, the Sony a6400. Also I am using this lavalier mic. This is my first time using this mic, so I am still learning on how to clip on my shirt. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's a little awkward over here, but it's okay. Let's cut to the chase. Yes, I am going to do a treatment called microneedling. Before we proceed, I want to tell you guys that this is not recommended. I am not recommending you guys to do, but if you guys have confidence and you guys have a little bit of knowledge of doing microneedling at home, then why not, right? So for this treatment, I usually do it like once a month or maybe twice a month, depending on my skin condition. If let's say I have a menses, if let's say I have a breakout, I will try to do it twice or thrice a month, but I don't do it on the conservative days because my face will tear apart and it will become like a road. I mean, I'm not that ugly, so I'm not gonna make it worse, okay? Let me emphasize once again that I do not recommend you guys to do this. I'm just sharing with you guys what works best for me, okay? From my knowledge, microneedling is good for pores and scars. If you guys are wondering, like there is supplements or creams that sells on the market right now saying that it will shrink your pores. Let me tell you guys, that is all bullshit, okay? In order for you to heal your pores or close your pores or shrink whatever pores you have on your face, large, small, medium pores, you will need to go through a laser or do a good microneedling. I am not saying that doing microneedling can help you with your pores, but it can minimize, you see. I mean, there is not much drastic changes if you are doing microneedling. It depends, but it works for me. I am going to show you guys how I am going to do microneedling with 36 needle. Yeah, I'm not kidding, okay guys, it's 36 needle, okay? And this is the device that I bought online. I'm not sure where I bought it. I think on Carousel or something. This seller sells this kind of gadget. So this is how it looks like. It's just a metal thing. Yeah. This brand, if I'm not wrong, is drpen. When you buy this drpen, this device, it will include 2 of the needle. If I'm not wrong, 12 needle. I mean this kind of needle, but 12 instead of 36. If I'm not wrong, yeah, I cannot remember. I bought it last year. I've made lots of research that if you're comfortable doing microneedling, you can bear the pain and stuff. So it's best if you high up the needle. Gila nak mampu. Memang aku gila nak mampu buat benda ni. Orang kalau tengok pun cakap aku gila. And yes, of course, there is a side effect after you do this treatment. Your face will be red and swollen just for a few days, okay? With a right amount of products, you will heal faster and the result will be amazing, okay? Let me open this. Okay, this is how it looks like. So I will just put it over here, lock it. Let me share with you a bit of my knowledge. How it works. How does it work by hurting yourself? Yes, microneedling actually works by hurting your skin. Depends on the individual. Like some of them bleed like really a lot. Scientifically, apa aku nak cakap? When you do the microneedling, depending on the needle length, the needle depth will go through your skin and it will make a hole inside your skin. If that makes sense, it will generate collagen. I really do not know how to explain to you guys. So there is a lot professional user on YouTube, so you can make a research on how this will heal your skin. Let me simplify this. Like, you hurt your skin, you heal your skin become wow. Yeah. That is a stupid. Okay, I'm not good at this. Before you start the treatment, you need to wash your face, use toner on your face, etc. And right now my skin is quite dry. I don't know if you can see through the camera, but there is like a flakes, like a dry skin like peeling off my face because of the drying mask that I use from Badescu, but that's fine. You need to apply a serum, which is a very moisturized serum. Of course, it is recommended for you to apply a serum on your face for the needle to glide through your skin, okay? One of the recommendation for you to use is hyaluronic acid, the HA serum. which is very popular right now for moisturizing your skin, or you can use any repairing serum that really works on your skin. As you guys know that I have a humble brand called by Saifullah Rahman, and I actually created this magic serum called Rescue. It is very good for moisturizing your skin, brightening your skin, and of course repair any skin concerns that you have. If you guys haven't seen, this is my Rescue serum. This is from batch 1 and currently it's sold out on Instagram. I am really grateful for everyone who actually supported me and motivated me to go on with this serum. It took me quite some time to actually create my own ingredient. Alhamdulillah, my lab chemist actually tested out the ingredient that I actually requested to them and said that it is safe. This is my first serum that I ever created early this year. In less than 3 months, Alhamdulillah, everything has been sold out. So right now, I am doing my batch 2. Oh my god. Oh my god, aku nak nangis. Currently, my batch 2 is in production and it is in the midst of producing. Oh my god. For batch 2, I actually increases the size. It is in 30 ml because for this batch 1, it is in 15 ml. And yes, the look will be different. Of course, I actually improvised the look to a newer look. Let's not drag too much, and I will talk about my Rescue serum or any other product that I'm creating on a different video. Right now, before we proceed the microneedling, apply any serum that suits your skin, and I would highly recommend you to get this Rescue serum. This serum works best with this kind of treatment because serum has higher hyaluronic acid together with all those ingredients that helps to repair your skin. So at the same time, it moisturizes and repair your skin. Got it? Daily usage, I will use 2 drops on each side of my face. For this treatment, I will apply a bit more. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you can take your clean hand. For this treatment, you can only do at your affected area. So my affected area mainly is on my cheek. I've already applied the Rescue serum and you can see that it's still a bit wet. That is where you start your treatment. For me, I will always use needle length 2. Over here, from point A to point B, I will just drag 1, 2, 3, 4. Be gentle. Focus more on your affected area. Oh yeah, I forget to mention to you that it is not recommended to do this treatment if you have a active acne, like you know those cystic acne. Yeah, this is not recommended for you, okay? Oh, can you see? There is a bit of blood over here. Yeah. Good. I'm done for my right cheek. Right now, let's do my left cheek. Okay. Okay, I think that is enough. Okay. Oh my god, the smell of this serum. I always love the smell of this serum. Oh my god. This serum has a natural smell from the extract of the ingredient. A lot of people say that it smells like sakura. A lot of people say that it smells like tomatoes. A lot of people say it smells like apple. Even some of them say that it smells like seaweed because there is a seaweed extract. So you guys can see. Oh my god, my face is really like boom. So I'm done for the treatment, and right now you can see this is the side effects. It's not that red lah. Usually I do it bleeds, okay? Burning right now, and it's quite swollen lah. I mean, it's okay. Now for the aftercare, after you have already satisfied doing the treatment, I will usually wipe away any blood on my skin if there is any lah. For me, I don't like to use toner because it's hurting right now, so I wouldn't want to put any more chemical on my skin. And there is a blood on my skin. See, this is the blood from the treatment. It's just a bit lah. I mean, I want to show you guys because that time when I do, it bleeds a lot. Okay, I will wash my face with cold water. For me, I will either use rescue serum because this is very good. And for the mask, I really love this brand. I really love this brand, Badescu Super Collagen Mask. This is very good. Right now, I'm going to use the rescue serum only because I will use this mask before I sleep. I got house here. Okay, right now I've already washed my face. Okay, let's apply the rescue serum. For daily use, just use a bit only. Trust me, it works wonders. Okay, just apply. Okay, so once I apply this serum every day on my skin, you will see a difference. The smell is really wow. Okay, so that is all for this video, and my skin is super red right now and it's burning up, but I've already applied this rescue serum and I can feel that the burning sensation is going down. Alhamdulillah, within this few days it will heal. Before I end this video, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, anything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me your fullest support. I have a lot of plans, and do give me your support, your fullest support for my beloved brand. For batch 2, it is on its way. You can DM us on Instagram and I will be more than happy to reply to your inquiries. Stay tuned for my upcoming video. Bye bye.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I'll be moving cautious, I can feel no pain.